Yeah, hello everyone. Good evening. You are welcome to Touch Adventures. As you all know, I'm that same person that always introduce you to cryptocurrency, digital asset, and what have you. Uh, if you like what we do here, like I always say, please hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to always get up to date whenever we upload some reasonable videos. Uh, the past week we discussed, how newbies can easily, trade a digital asset, crypto currency, and what have you. That is currency pairs and the rest of them in IC market, where it's mostly easier to monitor the trade when one is making profit or when the market is going against someone. So likewise today, I told you recently that we have some few apps that make it easier for new users to easily trade and make profit and get out of the market. So this evening, I also came with another new app which is very easy for the newcomers to trade on cryptocurrency, uh, currency pairs, commodities. We get to see commodities, what I mean by commodities too, during this, program. So if you like what we do, please stay with us and we'll get to show you more of what we are saying. So now, without much ado, I will go straight away. Now, for the newbies again, you still have to understand that there is still a particular software that is, if you can make use of IC market, if you find it so difficult to make use of IC, market in order to trade currency pairs, commodity, and what have you, then you can use a particular, application or software, because we have the mobile version and the system version too. Likewise, the IC market, we have mobile version and the system version. So now you can use any of them in order to trade what you wanted to trade. Now, the program is nothing but it's called capital.com. Now let's get to see you know what I mean. Let's get to see it. I think this is it. Now, if we check here, let me point at it so that you can easily see what I'm saying. Now, this is, capital.com. This is the application where you can trade any kind of digital asset. What I mean any kind of digital asset. You can trade it without no hustle. So now let's go into it and see how it looks like. um, Now let me point at it in order to load. Very good. You see, this is it, and it's load very faster. Now before I get to explaining things, I want you to understand that in all the apps, you have what is called menu, and the menu, we have it here. You see, this is the trade section. This is your portfolio. Portfolio means where your asset, the amount of asset you have in the market, which is in your account. Then search, that is if you want to search for a particular digital asset or a particular commodity, you can easily use that button. Then this sorry this place helps you to see news, to see update on what is going on in the market, so that you prepare your mind on what to trade and what not to trade. Then here, display a summary of your account. This account section here shows the details of your account. That is the summary of the account. So that is when we are talking about uh, this capital. Then I'm going to move this my image a little bit so that you see what we are saying. Now, in the top menu, we have so many items there. Now, if you look at it here, you see on top here displays the amount of money you have at hand, just as you are in the market. Then here displays your favorite commodity. That is what you normally trade all the time. It will be placed there as your favorite product that you normally trade. Then here shows the popular product in the market. Then here displays the new product in the market. Then this weekend here displays the product you can trade during the weekend. That is the weekend trading. Most of this currency, we don't trade them on weekends, but there are some of them that are also traded during the weekdays. I mean weekends, like cryptocurrency and some of the digital commodity. So that is why we have this is weekend trading. You see all the asset that can be traded on weekend. Then here we have commodities. That's the commodity that you can easily buy and sell. Now, if we scroll again, we see that we have like we have oil market. Now, this oil market means you can trade on any particular kind of oil, and in what so country that oil is, you can easily purchase and also sell. Then here are indices. Most people may wonder what indices are. Indices are just like just like digital asset of a particular, representing a particular organization or company. Then here too we have forex. That is, you trade forex, meaning you are to trade currency pairs. Then when we scroll again, we discover that here you can trade crypto, you see. Then you can also trade shares, and you can also trade ETF. Then you can also trade thematic, they call it thematic investment. And you can also partake on future trading. Future trading is also available on most of the crypto exchanges that we have around the world. Yeah. So these are, you see, when you look at capital.com, this app is called capital.com, you discover that it is way much more advanced than the IC market. So if I were to advise, I'll put down a link below this video. If you want to register, you can click there and register, so that you get to see how the market is, and you get to see how to trade your digital asset. Now, let's look at them sharply, so that we will not waste time. Now here, when you look at the commodities we have, this is just crypto market line down here. The favorite, when you see the pairs, now this is Bitcoin and USD. Then this is Ripple USD, This is Ethereum USD. This is Dogecoin USD. So if we keep we keep on scrolling up, we'll be seeing all the cryptocurrency slash USD or slash any other fiat currency. So that is to tell you that uh, this place we are is a cryptocurrency section. That is the category where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency with other, fiat currency. If I said fiat currency, I mean other local, currency around. Now, if we hit on the favorite button, let me hit on the favorite button. Now here we are on the favorite, button, and on the favorite button you get to see some of the product here that is being sold. And you see this is favorite micro technology inc. That's micro technology organization. That means you can buy their shares and also sell it at a time being. Then we have Oxygen Inc. Then we have other, like Great Britain pounds and USD. So what I'm trying to say is that in this favorite, it only brings to you the favorite commodity that you normally trade. It is because today is Friday, and this is almost midnight. That is why you discover that uh, the the chart is not blinking. It's faint and it's not moving. That means the market is closed. To when it is working days before you see everything moving here. Now, when we move down to the other section, maybe we may get to see some of them. Now this is popular section. What we mean by popular section is that most of the tokens that are popularly traded all the time. Now if you see, we have Bitcoin, we have Ripple, and we have most of the cryptocurrency being traded daily. They don't have time at which they are not being traded. So that is why most at times cryptocurrency is lucrative when you trade them here. Now let's move. Sorry. Now new here displays the new asset that is being brought to the market. Like when you see this is OX, OX slash what's it called, USD, then crypto index. You can also trade crypto index. Then look at Dogecoin slash USD, and a lot is being traded during the weekend. You see, like these are weekend trading asset. Now you can trade them. You trade Bitcoin USDT, and Ethereum USDT, and also USD, that is US dollar slash Japanese yen, US dollar slash and all these are the asset you can trade during the weekend, but most of them are cryptocurrency asset. So now when we come down to commodities, I want you to get what we mean by commodities. Now you look at the kind of commodities you can trade online. You see, we have natural gas. You can trade on natural gas. We have crude oil. You can also trade on crude oil. You can also trade on gold, and you can also trade on Brent oil, and lot more of them. You see, you can trade on silver. You can also trade on copper. You can also trade on cotton. There are so many, and all these are commodities. Sometimes you see them, we don't trade them during the weekend. They are being traded during the daytime. So when you have the opportunity, you can come down here and trade more. Now when you look at the oil market, you discover that You can trade so many, kind of, oil, like you see, Antero resources. You can trade BPUSD. They are kind of oil product that you can easily, buy and sell. Then we have Total Energies. You can also trade on that. You can also trade on Helmet, Rich, and Pine, and a lot of them. So now, whenever you have access to, then you can easily buy and sell all this. And with the market analysis, you will be able to make profit from all this we are trying to point at. So now, these are indices. Just like I said, sometimes indices represent asset by some kind of organization where you buy their shares and you trade it and you make your profit. Like, this is US technology. This is US Wall Street 30. You see, most of these are organizations. The US 500 and a lot more. You see Hong Kong 50, UK 100, India 50. All these are companies, some of them residing in the specified country, and online you can easily trade their asset and make profit from it. So that is what we mean by indices. Now, when we go under forex, you see that forex is just to trade uh, uh, you know currency pairs. Like, you can easily trade here. You see, you can easily trade Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, and most of them, when you check, they are blank because they are not being traded during the weekend. Now, this video I'm doing it on the weekend. That is why you see most of the uh, currency pairs are blank, because they are on break. They will come back early midnight on Monday. So I mean, Monday morning, that is 12 a.m. Monday. So that is when they will come back. Now, here are cryptos. Most cryptos are being traded all the time. Then this is shares. You see, you can also trade shares, trade other companies shares, like Tesla. This is Tesla, and this is Amazon. This is Amazon, is it Amazon Classic or what have you. You can also trade them. This is Apple. You see GameStop, Expand, and lot more of this current, I mean digital asset. So that is why we said trading digital asset and commodities is something one have to learn. So if you are interested in knowing more about all this and how to even indulge in it, you see there is a link below this video. Just click on it, fill in the form, do the necessary things you are required to do. Then we will get in touch with you personally to start getting you, to start making you get started. Now, that is why we are here. And that is why we tend to introduce this YouTube channel, for people to get to see how they can easily make profit while sitting at home, and without stressing their primary assignment. So now, these are thematic investment. You can invest in all of this and trade them, and you make your profit. So this is capital.com, and just like I've explained it in my previous video, it is just something similar to IC market, whereby you monitor your trade. You see here, you monitor your trade. You see what is going on. You want to monitor the chart, see what is going on. You have a buy button, you have an buy and sell button. This is sell button and this is buy button. You see, these are where you select your pips. Yeah, this is where you select your pips, and there is also a place where you get out of the market, a button that indicate when you are stopping or when you are going in to the market. So I think if you enjoy this video, hit like below the video, and if you have any suggestions, any comment, you can please write it down and we will acknowledge that. If you have any questions too, put it down below and we will have time to reply you. Yeah. Thank you very much for listening to Touching Ventures, and with you now is Isa Yusuf, and I would like to call it a day here. Have a nice day, and we'll get to see you next time. Thank you.